Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to continue to solve few more problems in ages. The present age of a father is 3 years more than 3 times the age of his son. 3 years hence, father's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of the son. Find the present age of the father. So let us break down the question. The present age of father and son. Consider the present age of the son as x and the present age of father is 3 years more than 3 times the age of the son. So 3 times the age of son is 3x and 3 years more than that is plus 3. 3 years hence. So hence it means in the future. After 3 years, the son's age will be x plus 3 and the father's age will be 3x plus 3 plus 3. Father's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of the son. So father's age is equal to 10 years more than twice the age of the son. So you can understand that. So twice the age of the son is 2 into x plus 3 and after 10 years more than means you will add plus 10 to it. On solving that, 3x plus 6 is equal to 2x plus 6 plus 10. Therefore, x is equal to 10 years. Also note that they haven't asked the age of the son, they have asked the present age of the father. So the present age of the father is 3x plus 3. So 3 into 10 plus 3. So the present age of the father is 33 years. Moving on. Rohit was 4 times as old as his son 8 years ago. After 8 years, Rohit will be twice as old as his son. What are their present ages? So they have given 8 years ago. So first let us take the past age. So consider the age of the son in the past is x and Rohit was 4 times as old as his son. So 4x. Now coming to the present, the difference between past and the present age is 8 years. So the present age of Rohit becomes 4x plus 8 and the age of son is x plus 8. Next, after 8 years, that is in the future, Rohit's age will be 4x plus 8 plus 8 and the son's age will be x plus 8 plus 8, which is equal to 4x plus 16 x plus 16. The condition they have given is Rohit's age will be twice as old as his son. So Rohit's age is 4x plus 16 is equal to twice of the age of his son. And on solving it, we get x is equal to 8. So what are the present ages? 4x plus 8 and x plus 8. So the present age of Rohit is 4 into 8 plus 8. 32 plus 8 is 40 and the present age of the son is 16 years. So the present ages of Rohit and the son is 40 and 16 years. Moving on. 1 year ago, the ratio of Gaurav's and Sachin's age was 6:7 respectively. 4 years hence, this ratio would become 7:8. How old is Sachin? So they have started with the past age. So in the past, the ratio of Gaurav and Sachin is 6/7. So let us consider the age of Gaurav to be 6x and the ratio of Sachin is, and the age of Sachin is 7x. In the present, the difference between the past and the present age is 1. So in the present, the age of Gaurav becomes 6x plus 1 and Sachin becomes 7x plus 1. Next, in future, 4 years hence. So hence is a keyword to determine the future, and how many years in the future? 4 years in the future. So we'll add 4 to their respective ages. 6x plus 1 plus 4, and Sachin's age is 7x plus 1 plus 4, which gives 6x plus 5 and 7x plus 5. The ratio is 7:8. So the ratio of Gaurav and Sachin is 7:8. 6x plus 5 divided by 7x plus 5 is equal to 7/8. On cross multiplication, and solving it, x equal to 5. So they have asked how old is Sachin, that is the present age of Sachin is 7x plus 1. So 7 into 5 plus 1, that is 36 years. Moving on to the next question. Abhay's age after 6 years will be 3/7 of his father's age. 10 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 1:5. What is Abhay's father's age at the present? So first we'll start with the past age. In the past age, the ratio of Abhay and his father is 1:5. So let us consider the age of Abhay as x and his father to be 5x. At the present, so difference between the past and the present is 10 years. So we'll add plus 10 to it. The age of Abhay is x plus 10 and the age of his father is 5x plus 10. Then in the future, the keyword is after 6 years. So in the future, Abhay's age would be x plus 10 plus 6 and his father's age will be 5x plus 10 plus 6, which gives x plus 16 and 5x plus 16. So the condition they have given, that is Abhay's age will be 3/7 of his father's age. So Abhay is 3/7 of his father's age. So x plus 16 is equal to 3/7 of his father's age. On cross multiplication, so x is equal to 8. The question they have asked is what is Abhay's father's age at the present? So Abhay's father's age at the present is 5x plus 10. So 5 into 8 plus 10, which gives 50 years. So that's all, folks. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.